What is affiliate marketing? It's a performance-based business model where you get paid commissions for promoting other people's products, so you don't need to create your own product. This can be anything that you're interested in, whether that's fitness, beauty, wellness, tech, whatever it is, anything that you're passionate about or have some knowledge in. The riches are in the niches, so really think about what you want to focus on. You don't need to handle any shipping. All you need is a link. These are all platforms that you can join to find different affiliate programs. And if you're in the wellness niche, for example, you can join a high-paying private program like Bionatal Black Seed Oil. A funnel or link in bio tool is a great way to collect emails or lead people straight to your offer. Some examples include Card, Koji, Beacons. These tools allow you to create a custom landing page or profile that you can share across social media platforms. So this could be in the form of TikToks, blog posts, YouTube Shorts, email newsletters. You can use tools like Bitly, Google Analytics, or TikTok Shop Analytics to track your clicks, conversions, and earnings. Double down on what works and scrap what doesn't. It doesn't matter what type of content you create as long as it is providing value and helping people. In 7 easy steps, you can start affiliate marketing today. Remember to pick a niche, find affiliate programs, get your unique link, create valuable content, build trust. Use a funnel or link in bio tool and track, test and tweak your results. Happy affiliate marketing. Focus on the benefits and the transformation, not just the product. So talk about how the product can improve people's lives and help them achieve their goals? And we've walk you through exactly how to get started with affiliate marketing step by step. Step 1. Pick a niche. Step 2. Find affiliate programs. There's a ton of different affiliate programs out there. Some examples include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Digistore24, ShareSale. So it's important to build trust with your audience. Show your face, tell your story. Be consistent with your content and engage with your followers. It's the more trust you build, the more likely people will be to buy through your affiliate links. Step 3. Get your unique affiliate link. Once you join an affiliate program, you'll get a unique affiliate link that you can use to promote the product. This is how you get paid. So never ever promote without it because you won't get paid. Step 4. Create content that solves problems. You want to create content that provides value and solves problems for the people who are looking for solutions? Step 5. Build trust plus be consistent. People buy from people they like, know, and trust. Step 6. Use a funnel or a link in bio tool. Step 7. Track test. Tweak. It's important to track your results and make adjustments as needed. So there you have it.